I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Today we're doing our quick start guide with our mini 6-foot backhoe. I love this little backhoe. It is a little bit tricky sometimes the first time you put it on a mini, so we're gonna hopefully shorten your learning curve, get you up and enjoying your attachment quicker. Join me, I think you'll like it. So the first thing we do, of course, is hook up the QT plate and the couplers. I love to run them through the D-ring, take a few more seconds. That keeps it out of the lower linkage pinch point. That'll keep you up and running without hose puncture and downtime. I think the first thing I like to discuss is the pitch that we run the whole stick. I like 45-degree angles. It's easy for guys to come and want to see what they're doing. It's right in front and they get almost vertical. But when they do so, that bucket has very little power. Whereas if we keep our 45 and let that bucket do the work, all the digging power, we're maximizing that angle of the linkage and the strength of the bucket curl. Additionally, guys have a tendency to want to move the machine to do the digging. We want the bucket to curl to do the digging, and then we use the machine simply to rotate and dump. And that is the most efficient and most productive. So I'll show you what I mean. So here we got our hole already started. My stick is at about a 45-degree angle. Put it down, and then I just start curling that bucket. And that does all your digging. I knocked it all into the hole. Here we go, pull back, curl. Now I got a full bucket load. Now I turn and dump. And then I turn and I'm right back into my hole. Let the bucket do the work. Nice full bucket. Pivot out, take the bucket if I need to. Same thing here, you can see the power this has at that angle. Big chunk of dirt. That's what you want to do. Let that bucket curl do the work. And you'll be surprised when you can keep that angle, how fast you can get going and get back in your hole. And of course that angle does have to change if you get real super deep. I'm not going real deep with this. And that really gives you the idea. Keep that at a 45, use the bucket curl. And then you can work on your placement. So I hope this gets you up quicker and enjoying your attachment faster. As always, our promise to you, better products, better service, happier customers.